Pico. Go ahead, Pico.
I told you.
Hey, I'm on phone.
Okay, now
What was it?
here.
He looks like a baby deer trying to walk for the first time.
You got a video of me and I making
No.
I love
love.
you. Now put that in your scrapbook.
Break them off. That's how I do. If you don't like me, bitch, I don't like you. Get the fuck out. Get up out my house. If you don't, then I'm gonna stick a dick in the mouth.
What are you doing? Oh my god. Oh my god.
You spit on me.
Who spit on people, Brandon? Molly. Hey, listen to this. You said that pussy's nice, but you ain't seen shit. You should have seen that girl I used to be with. Used to look better in the hood. That would do. That would be. I'ma lay down because I'ma go to sleep.